Why is it so hard to change your habits? Today, we explore the life-changing power of atomic habits.
Success is the product of daily habits, not once-in-a-lifetime transformations. It is about the systems you follow every day.
If you can get 1% better each day for 1 year, you'll end up 37 times better.
Habits often appear to make no difference until you cross a critical threshold and unlock a new level. This is the plateau of latent potential. All your hard work isn't wasted. It is simply being stored. To understand habits, we must look at the habit loop: the cue, the craving, the response, and the reward. The cue triggers your brain to initiate a behavior. It is a piece of information that predicts a reward. Next is the craving. This is the motivational force behind every habit. You don't crave the habit, you crave the change. The response is the actual habit you perform. It depends on how motivated you are and the friction involved.
Finally, the reward. It delivers the end goal and teaches your brain which actions are worth remembering.
The first law of behavior change is to make it obvious. You need to design your environment for success.
Stop hiding your good habits. If you want to eat healthier, put the fruit where you can see it. Use implementation intentions. Be specific about when and where you will act to remove all doubt.
Habit stacking is another powerful tool. Pair a new habit with a current habit you already do every day.
Your environment is the invisible hand that shapes human behavior. Make the cues for your good habits visible.
The second law is make it attractive. The more attractive an opportunity is, the more likely it is to be habit-forming.
Use temptation bundling. Link an action you want to do with an action you need to do.
Join a culture where your desired behavior is the normal behavior. We soak up the habits of those around us.
Reframe your habits to highlight their benefits rather than their drawbacks. You don't have to, you get to.
Focusing on the reward makes the difficult parts of the journey feel much more attractive and worthwhile. The third law is make it easy. Reduce friction. Decrease the number of steps between you and your good habits.
Prime the environment for future use. If you want to work out, set your clothes out before you go to bed.
Use the 2-minute rule. When you start a new habit, it should take less than 2 minutes to do.
Don't try to run a marathon. Just start by putting on your shoes. Read 1 page. Meditate for 1 minute.
Once you start, it's much easier to continue. Focus on the entry point of the habit.
The fourth law is, make it satisfying. What is immediately rewarded is repeated. What is punished is avoided.
Use a habit tracker. Don't break the chain. Seeing your progress is a reward in itself. Add an immediate reward to habits that have a delayed payoff. This keeps you motivated in the short term.
Get a habit contract or an accountability partner. We care about what others think of us. Ultimately, habits are not about having something. They are about becoming someone. Identity is the key.
Most people focus on the outcome. But the most effective way to change your habits is to focus on who you wish to become.
Trying to quit.
I'm not a smoker.
There is a big difference between saying I am trying to quit and I am not a smoker. Identity is the ultimate lever for change.
Every action you take is a vote for the type of person you wish to become. No single instance transforms your belief, but the votes build up.
If you want to be a writer, write 1 page. If you want a page.
Your habits are the way you embody your identity. The more you repeat a behavior, the more you reinforce the identity associated with it. Environment is the invisible hand that shapes human behavior. We often follow the path of least resistance in our surroundings.
If you want to drink more water, place bottles in every room. Make the cues of your good habits impossible to miss.
Conversely, make the cues of your bad habits invisible.
If you can't focus, put your phone in another room for an hour.
It is easier to build new habits in a new environment. A fresh start prevents old cues from triggering old behaviors.
We are all influenced by the people around us. We tend to adopt the habits that are praised and approved by our culture.
Join a tribe where your desired behavior is the normal behavior. If everyone around you reads, you will likely read too.
To break a bad habit, make it unattractive. Highlight the cost of keeping the habit and the benefit of losing it.
Success is not about a single event. It is about the system. You do not rise to the level of your goals.
Goals are about the results you want to achieve. Systems are about the processes that lead to those results. Focus on the process.
The most effective form of learning is practice, not planning. Stop looking for the perfect plan and just start the repetition.
Motion makes you feel like you're getting things done, but action is the behavior that delivers a result. Be a person of action.
When you start a new habit, it should take less than 2 minutes. A habit must be established before it can be improved.
Standardize before you optimize. You can't improve a habit that doesn't exist. Mastering the first 2 minutes is everything.
Many people fail because they try to do too much too soon.
Complexity is the enemy of execution. To make a habit stick, you must make it so easy that you can't say no.
Technology can automate your habits. Set up systems that do the work for you, so you don't have to rely on willpower.
The cardinal rule of behavior change: what is immediately rewarded is repeated. What is immediately punished is avoided. We want immediate gratification, but the rewards of good habits are often delayed.
Habit tracking provides immediate visual evidence that you are casting a vote for your new identity. It feels good to see progress.
The secret to long-term success is never missing twice. If you miss one day, get back on track immediately.
Make the cost of your bad habits immediate and painful. An accountability partner or a habit contract can help with this.
Your identity is not set in stone. You have the power to choose who you want to be at any moment.
Atomic habits are small and simple, but they are the building blocks of remarkable results. Don't underestimate them.
You have the tools. You have the system. Now, it's time to take the next step in your journey.
How do you stay motivated for the long run? The human brain loves a challenge, but only if it is within a specific zone of difficulty.
This is known as the Goldilocks rule. To maintain peak motivation, you must work on tasks that are right on the edge of your current ability.
If a task is too easy, we get bored. If it is too hard, we get discouraged.
Mastery requires a delicate balance. You must constantly search for that 4% challenge beyond where you are comfortable right now. But what happens when the novelty wears off? The greatest threat to success is not failure, but boredom. We lose interest. Professionals stick to the schedule. Amateurs let life get in the way. You have to learn to fall in love with the daily repetition.
You don't need more motivate, you need more discipline, Snoop.
Successful people feel the same boredom as everyone else. The difference is, they find a way to show up regardless of how they feel.
Let's talk about genetics. Your genes do not eliminate the need for hard work. They guide it. They tell you what to work hard on.
Build habits that work for your personality. A habit that is easy for someone else might be a constant struggle for you.
Play a game that favors your strengths. If you can't find a game that favors you, create one that does. Innovation is key.
When you work with your nature rather than against it, progress feels fast. When you fight your nature, progress feels like an uphill battle.
Align your habits with your natural inclinations. This reduces the friction of starting and makes the process of continuing much more enjoyable.
Habits plus deliberate practice and mastery. Habits are necessary, but they can also lead to complacency if you aren't careful.
Once a habit is automatic, you stop noticing the small errors. You must stay conscious to continue reaching for the next level.
This is why reflection and review are vital. They allow you to maintain awareness of your performance and make small, critical adjustments.
Set up a system for reflection. Once a week or once a year, look back at your habits. Are you still moving toward your identity? Don't let your habits define you so much that you can't change. Keep your identity flexible so you can grow and evolve.
The tighter you cling to an identity, the harder it is to grow beyond it. Be like the tree that bends with the wind.
Habits are the path, but they are not the destination. They are the vehicle that carries you to the best version of yourself. Time will multiply whatever you feed it. Feed it good habits and time becomes your ally. Feed it bad habits and time is your enemy. Never underestimate the power of a small start. The most important part of any journey is the decision to simply begin.
You have learned the laws. You understand the systems. The future is a blank canvas, and your habits are the brushstrokes.
One stone at a time, one habit at a time, one day at a time. This is how you build a life that is truly remarkable.
Your small changes are already starting to ripple outward. Every good choice you make today affects your tomorrow and beyond.
Knowledge is only potential power. It only becomes real power when you apply it. What will you change today?
Millions of people are using these same principles to transform their lives. You are not alone on this path to greatness. Look back at how far you've come. Every small step was a victory. Every repetition was a vote for your new self.
It doesn't matter where you are starting from. It only matters which direction you are heading. Start your day one now.
Atomic habits are the secret to the life you've always wanted. Small changes, remarkable results. Your journey continues.
True change comes from the compound effect of hundreds of small decisions. Like a tree, your results grow from hidden roots. Wealth, knowledge, and health are all lagging measures of your habits. You get what you repeat, not what you wish for. Success is not a goal to reach or a finish line to cross. It is a system to improve and a process to refine. Winners and losers have the same goals. The goal doesn't differentiate them. The system they use to get there does.
When life gets chaotic, don't abandon your habits. Your systems are the safety net that catches you when willpower fails.
Consistency is far more powerful than intensity. One small drop.
Your habits don't just change you. They change the world around you. Your example becomes a cue for others to improve.
Reevaluate your first law. Is your environment still making your good habits obvious? Keep your cues fresh and visible. Reevaluate the second law. Is your craving still strong? Keep your habits attractive by focusing on the identity you are building.
Reevaluate the third law. Have you removed enough friction? Make it so easy that you can do it on your worst day.
Reevaluate the fourth law. Are you still finding satisfaction? Celebrate the small wins to keep the reward loop active.
Failure is just a data point. It tells you where the system broke. Fix the system. Don't blame the person in the mirror.
You are a work in progress. Your identity is a flexible set of beliefs that you choose to reinforce every single day.
Fall in love with the boredom of the process. The results will take care of themselves if the process is handled with care.
Advanced habit stacking means building a life where one good choice naturally leads into the next, effortlessly. Tracking your habits long-term provides the evidence you need to stay confident when you don't feel like you're changing. Use simple visual cues like the paperclip strategy. Visual progress is the best fuel for your motivation engine. Never miss twice. One mistake is an accident. 2 mistakes is the start of a new habit. Get back on the horse. Use accountability to increase the stakes. When the cost of failing is immediate and public, you are much more likely to succeed. Mastery is a continuous loop. Once you master one level, you use your habits to build a foundation for the next. This is the Sorite's paradox. Which grain of sand makes the pile? Every single one matters. Every single habit counts. Your mind is the ultimate garden. Plant habits of wealth, health, and wisdom. Harvest a life of greatness and peace. Find the one habit that makes everything else easier or unnecessary. That is your lead domino. Push it today.
From the seed to the mountain,
from the gear to the soul. Atomic habits are the secret to a remarkable life.
You have the knowledge, you have the tools, you have the power. There are no more excuses. It's time to begin.
1% better every day. That is all it takes. Your future self is waiting for you to take that first step.
Every choice is a vote. Every habit is a brick. Build your empire. Become the person you were always meant to be. Small changes, remarkable results, atomic habits. Start your transformation today. Thank you for watching.